Hi, I'm Matt Hearn, Money Coach. Over the next 6 weeks, I'm going to share with you the 6 key ingredients to saving more while still enjoying life. So if you want to save for an important experience sooner, or perhaps want to get out of debt faster, this may be for you. 2 of the most common reasons that people tell me that they struggle to consistently save is unforeseen expenses and impulse spending. And to be honest, I'm not surprised. You see, it's getting harder and harder to be good with money. The number of ads that we are exposed to every day has exploded into the tens of thousands. And advertisers are getting more and more skilled at getting us to part with our hard-earned money. And it's getting even easier and easier to instantly buy something on impulse, even if we don't have the money available to us. Because of the unplanned spending, we then don't have enough savings to cater for the unforeseen expenses that crop up. I think of this environment a lot like a spending buffet. And I have a confession. I have never been to a buffet and not overeaten. Contrary to popular belief, this is not really a problem with our willpower. Our brains are wired to indulge in the feast in front of us. It's more of a problem with not having the right money systems for that environment. And I bet, like me, you were never taught how to manage your money well. So if you've been struggling to save, you're not alone. In fact, it's really common. But it's not a place where we want to stay. The stress of not being able to afford things that are really important to us can affect our well-being and our relationships. Now more than ever, we need to learn systems to navigate that environment of abundant temptation and easy credit. But one of the challenges that many of us have in getting started in saving more is that we don't want to miss out on any fun in life. So I'll share with you what the latest social science is revealing about where we need to spend our money to get the most buzz for our buck. I'm Matt Hearn, and for over 15 years, I've been advising people on the right financial decisions to afford a life they love. And I'm excited to share with you the key ingredients to a system to save more while still enjoying life. Subscribe now to receive the first ingredient.